Our metropolitan Chicago region is one of the great global centers of commerce. 30 years from now, will that still be true? Our 7 counties, Cook, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake, McHenry, and Will, and 284 communities must work together to preserve residents' quality of life. How should we meet the challenges facing our region? For the first time in 100 years, we have a plan to guide us. Go to 2040.
I think this plan is significant, very significant. These are some great ideas, and I think we're going to implement them.
The bottom line is we can't afford not to plan. It's an important part of how we think about this region, about its future, and about its prosperity in a new global economy.
Go to 2040 addresses the region's most important priorities: livable communities, human capital, efficient governance, and regional mobility. If our region is going to stay a global leader, we need to encourage compact, sustainable development, build a diverse economy based on skilled workers and innovative businesses, increase government efficiency by coordinating public investments, and give residents more options for transportation.
It's not enough to have a downtown where people just pass through. We want a real gathering place. And I think whether they're big, whether they're small, and it's the uniqueness of those communities that makes them livable.
Part of the livable community is business. It's people who want to create jobs and invest in communities.
In an increasingly competitive world, Go to 2040 emphasizes educating and training a skilled workforce and fostering business innovation. Metropolitan Chicago has more than 1,200 units of government. Go to 2040 emphasizes the need for cooperation between communities. With coordinated, transparent decision-making, we can make better use of public resources.
The mayors in this region have finally realized that, no man's an island, so we need to depend on each other. We need to think regionally.
Transportation drives this region's economy. And if we don't continue to invest in it, we will lose jobs. It's just that simple.
We must invest wisely to modernize and maintain our roads and transit. Go to 2040's recommendations will also conserve energy and reduce harmful greenhouse gas emissions. Go to 2040 is our best chance to preserve high quality of life with a strong economy and vibrant communities.
I think if we can work through this plan and make effective some of the recommendations, that we can compete nationally and internationally in the metropolitan area.
It's up to each of us to advocate for implementation of the plan's recommendations.
This plan has to belong to our residents. It can't be CMAP's plan. It has to belong to the people who live and work here, and if it does, then we'll see change.
Visit www.goto2040.org to view the full plan and sign up to participate.